There's the pepper team, cucumbers, and squash and eggplant. Thinning cucumbers.
Okay. Bye.
Fort Lauderdale. Yeah, no hurry, and we'll be back there. And if you
All right, so we picked the biggest of the multi ones.
No, you keep the biggest.
Yeah, that's what I mean. We pick the we pick it, meaning we keep it.
Yes, you choose.
And then
Select.
we'll come back and weed.
Ones that are
ones that are just coming up, Lolly, I'd leave.
Let them get bigger.
Yeah, so we
Okay.
can see if one gets better than the other.
Okay.
Good. Okay.
I just hate having
I
to
know.
throw these other ones away.
Well, if you want, then pull them out by the roots and then plant them at home. That's not a bad idea, right?
You gotta pay. I guess the problem is trying to get them out full is.
Yeah,
Just pull it straight up.
I always take the turnpike because there's less people out there.
Pulling the roots, right? I mean,
Yeah, but you have to
just
pay
kind of
too.
break it off so you don't.
Oh, so we don't disrupt the
Just
other
snip it off.
one. Okay. Oh, but here, if somebody wants,
Yeah,
does
if you
somebody want
wanted
one or
it.
two? Here, you want one or two to take with you?
Yeah.
Hi guys, how are you?
We have
All
a
right,
little thing
we are going to be
on the window because you have to pull
thinning.
over every
We're going to be
now
weeding,
then.
and we're going to be planting.
That's the only problem.
So,
Yeah,
I
but you
guess
might just stick with
right
the
now we're going to
95
start
if
with
you
the
got those
thinning.
directions. It
So,
may be easier.
what we're doing
Yep,
is
you'll be good. Palm Beach
we're
is
leaving the
crazy.
little ones that we just
going to Los
reseeded.
Angeles
But like
or
the ones
Seattle.
across from where your mom is,
Yeah.
they're
Okay.
all three of those are about the same
Very
size.
good.
So
I
just
better
pick
go. There's
whichever
someone
one.
else what to do here.
It's going to be a gamble.
You leave the biggest one.
Leave the biggest one. When it's hard like that, you just
And you don't have to
Alright,
pull the
yeah,
roots,
we'll
just
see you
pinch
then.
them.
Okay, you bet. Take care.
so
Have a good
now-
Make sure you pick the right one or you guys are in trouble. No.
And here you can see kind of like that the leaf changes. And so
It's
we've
like
gone
when you
from
defuse a bomb and you have to pick which wire to cut.
zucchini. Exactly.
What if you pull the wrong one?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
Make sure you cut the right one.
That's not a reseed, is it? That's the.
That's.
Those are still small. Let those get a little bigger. Yeah.
Oh, you're plucking out some
Yeah,
of
we're
the
thinning.
The
We're
two
thinning.
smaller ones
thinning.
Thinning.
and
So-
leaving the biggest one.
And
Right.
So here you go. Yeah, and just kind of give them a little yank.
How you doing? Good.
Ian's going to turn you into a farmer now, huh?
Expanding your horizons, huh?
Like, is that one plant or is that?
That king of the hill even talks
So you
about
wanna put-
CSAs now, Ian.
Oh,
said.
really?
Yeah, he
Yeah,
said he was
so we'll have
watching
the
it
other
and
two.
Hank joined us, a community farm or whatever.
Cool.
He was going, oh, a bunch of hippies, and he was going, wow, these tomatoes taste really good.
Really? When
I
was
tell
that?
you what,
Actually,
those
I saw
tomatoes
one.
are.
I know.
Our tomatoes are
I know.
so
This
good.
funny.
They are.
Okay, so like even now when you gotta kind of every now and then look under here because you got two little ones, so just give them a quick yank because that way these will come in strong.
Like pinch them.
Yeah,
Are
just
we
kind of
pulling?
pinch them.
We're pulling some weeds out too, huh?
I'm gonna come back with a hoe, I think.
Oh, okay. Just going close by here.
Yeah.
But you can get like these little things here.
Yeah. All right.
Cool.
Ooh,
Wow,
this
these
looks
have
like
really
they're
done
new
good
little
in a
weeds.
few.
Yeah, Robert's got some beans coming up on his stuff over here he
It's
planted.
only been a few weeks, and there's the little.
Yep.
These are passing up the corn now, huh?
I know, it's hard.
So the others can live.
Well, it took me so long to get those little squashes or the eggplants and the peppers to do anything. To rip these guys out just breaks my heart.
You murderer.
Cereal herbicide.
Yeah. Yeah, it's better than spraying them, huh?
That's
Or
Okay, so yeah, the cucumbers are a little smaller. They were fast out the gate, but kind of haven't done as much.
Cucumbers, I would think we might be able to leave too, because they're going to spread out and vine out, aren't they? Are these vines?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we've got the two kinds. We've got the
the
Asian
English,
prickly
or
ones,
yeah.
and then just the regular long green ones.
Cucumbers, I leave 2 long, you know.
Okay,
Usually
well,
do
yeah, and we're not
2
getting
per-
much more than 2, are we
You
here?
got 3 here, and like at home, I got 4 growing together. And they do well.
Yeah, I think you can leave 2 and they'll
All
be
right.
fine.
Okay. All right, so like now
Yeah.
here,
I'd
now are
leave-
these
I'd leave
far
that.
enough? Are these far enough apart
Yeah.
that
They're
they're-
all gonna grow
they're
right.
gonna
They're
find
gonna
out where
grow
they-
Yeah.
They'll go
squash
where they
plant.
need to go. Huh?
Yeah, maybe let them grow some more.
Well, squash plant
Case
grows
someone-
out like this.
Like I said, I got
Maybe a
4
bug
like
like
that.
that.
So they'll go like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, then let's pretty much leave the cucumber as is. And I know that apart. So that's why we kind of got a little robot. All right. So we'll come back. Why don't we? Here, I was gonna say, who wants to weed? Let's give ourselves some gratification. Let's plant our new stuff on the other side of Debbie, and then we'll come back and weed. How does that sound? Save the running job for last.
Weeding is meditative though. You
Yeah.
can zone out and
It's
weed.
like therapy, right?
Yes. Nature therapy.
Oh, all right.
And that's your end right there.
Okay. Well, here we can.
Here's the
here.
last right here.
Yeah, just
Yeah, this field is going to look very different in a couple months.
So that's the.
Oh, now Robert, we put this across just so that we knew where we had ended. Do you need it for you?
I don't
All right, then here you go. Here, Ian, let me give you. You want to pull some of that over? All
You want us to go grab the trays?
We're about here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, do you want us to come in and maybe with the hoe get this written now? This looks like planted stuff, but we didn't plant this. What? Those are weeds? Okay. So maybe should we clean up the beds a little before we plant?
Or at least where you, because how far apart we putting these so we can guess clean
yeah,
that area up, huh?
A foot.
All right. How about if we'll go and get a couple of hoes? They're getting the trays.
But you don't want to get rid of the hills though, right?
No.
Watch out.
Yeah. That grass.
I think what you could probably do, well, you can come down the middle with the scuffle hoe, clean that up later. You can just weed,
So,
weed by hand. Where you
okay, so Paul, how are we putting these little transplants in? We just scoop a
I think-
hole and we're going to plant them all
Yeah.
three together?
Yeah, just.
Or are we going to try to separate them?
No, I think you try to separate them because otherwise, if they do grow a little bit, you're going to tear them out and lose the hook.
Okay, so go ahead and separate them. All right,
That's
so foot apart. Irrigation run anytime? Are we
yeah,
kind of
no, you got good moisture there.
Okay.
I probably want to turn it on later. I heard Brian, I have to ask Brian, he turned it off. He said, I heard him talking to somebody this morning, he turned it off for a reason.
Okay.
But no, you got good soil moisture here.
Right
Yeah,
behind,
I
right
saw
behind
that.
it, it's all watermelon in there too.
Well, see, but it's been warmer than when they started.
Okay.
You know,
Now here's the other thing.
They're
We've got the same amount coming tomorrow and on Tuesday. So when we plant, let's make sure that we leave enough room for more of each, since we're going to have the labels.
we got 2 rows here.
Yeah, so we can, you know,
Plenty
do
of space.
2 and 1 and 2.
all together.
All right. So we're
What? Oh. Hey, is that dandelion for the cows? Is that for the cows?
I reckon it could be.
Yeah, I was gonna pick them some weeds.
But that,
They need some green over there.
yes, they do.
Should I go give it to them?
Yeah, they got citrus and they got hay.
Yeah.
By this afternoon, they'll have grain from the brewery. I got to run to Orlando and pick up Doug and Liz and get the brew.
All right, I'll go bring them some. So is this a new thing or you had this?
What's that?
Is this new or you had this?
Oh no, I've had this for a long time.
In the thing.
What?
There's a thing in the thing. There. I don't know.
That's alright. It's got to pick up.
All right. Stay in a straight line. Don't go on the cucumbers. Whatever they are. Make sure he understands the objective. Make sure he understands the objective, not to go on, you know, what he's trying to do. Start with some eggplants behind Tony here where Paul is. Alright, so we got the eggplants. These are the two trees.
Are they all the same variety?
The eggplant, yeah, I think these are black beauties. Alright, here we go. We'll just...
Eggplants should do well.
These are all chocolate.
These never even sprouted, so there's one little single guy. So what, put them about a foot apart? Alright, those are our singles. Alright, so we'll leave a couple there. 2.
Moisten areas again.
Now, do you want us to, so don't worry about the weeding, huh? Oh, you know what? If you squeeze turn your thing upside down, Tony, there you go.
Yeah, I did. He didn't. He's still,
Oh, he's stuck in there?
I think it's really wet.
Well, I had specifically watered them this morning so that hopefully it would be moist enough.
We'll get him going again.
Yeah, keep as much root as you can. Try not to disturb. And keep the when you plant it, make sure you press
Because
the
it's
soil.
kind of wet, it was sticking in the bottom there.
Good morning, this is Lauren.
They're little dinky.
Okay, so, oh, Paul, you're making holes. All right, so let's see here. So maybe if we can, maybe you snip off some of your roots. So should I not have watered them this morning?
Yeah,
That's fine.
I'll pump this in. Now, so let's see. One here.
dandelion nobody ate, going to the cows. So you're gonna do that, or just take the baskets?
You want to just take a basket? That one looks pretty good.
Sure. We'll do like you. Hello, baby sheep. The little sheep. There's the baby. Yeah. Two new sheep. Two new babies. Green leaves. Here, put some for this white one. Is that good? Is that good? Yeah. That's good. Sheep. I know, those two. Sheep? Oh.
Hanging out behind mom.
Yeah. Getting fluffy. Oh, they want some greens too. Maybe we should get some, maybe, that we could share. The sheep want greens. Like, chuck it over there, yeah. Here. Well, at least they have water. You looking for more? Oh, the cow's as big as the sheep over there. Hello. Hello. Come here. Hello. Hello. get all dirty like that?
I was holding your tape like that. Everything was going on here. And then I
Did?
and also in my hand floss.
Okay, we're
where we can't provide for our necessities, he's going to take care of us.